Implementing a new accounting standard can be very overwhelming, but before any work can start, we have to determine the date for measuring and recognizing your leases. Hi, I'm Priya Singleton, Quality Control Officer at Blue & Company, and I'm going to walk you through how to select your date of initial application. The lease standard requires companies to apply the modified retrospective transition approach. This means that the determination of your lease balances is generally based on the remaining lease payments and discount rate as of the date of initial application. Now, there are two options you can choose from for the initial application date: the comparative option or the effective date option. Under the comparative option, you can elect to apply the new standard as of the beginning of the earliest comparative period presented in your financial statement. For example, if your company has a 12/31/2022 year-end, you will measure and recognize your leases as of January 1, 2021. Alternatively, under the effective date option, you can elect to apply the standard at the effective date of the standard. So in our example, for the 12/31/2022 year-end company, the effective date of application would be 1/1/2022. Now keep in mind that this also means that the comparative period presented in your financial statement, which in our case is the 2021 year, remains under the previous guidance in ASC 840. The effective date option simplifies your transition requirements because you do not need to record leases that expired prior to the effective date, and you do not need to consider any lease modifications in the comparative period presented. To determine the date, you're ready to start applying the new lease standard. To download Blue & Company's ASC 842 Lessee implementation guide or to watch the other videos in the series, follow the link at the end of the video.